So, first of all, I would like to ask you, what did convince you on being part of Hey Joe?
Oh, I didn't need any convincing. I had before I met Claudio, I had already seen his film Peranza delle Bambine, and I love this film. And I think I watched it because I read a review by Sean Baker.
Oh,
He's
wow.
So Sean Baker had, he on like Letterbox or something had written in a review like
Yes,
this
yes.
film and great performers and da da da. So I watched the film and I thought, oh, I love this film. And also, I loved, it was based on a book by Saviano, and of course, I loved, like everyone, I loved Gomorrah and by Garone, and so in the back of my mind, I'm just thinking, okay, this, one more Italian filmmaker who I love, Garone, Pietro Marcello, and now Claudio Giovannesi, um, and so, and then out of the blue, I'm telling you, it was like a gift from the universe. I mean, it was probably only 1 month after I watched this movie, and boom, they give me this script. Hey Joe, directed by Claudio Giovannesi, and you play an American in an Italian film. Everybody else is Italian. You're the only American. It was like I couldn't have asked for anything more perfect. So before I even read the script, I said yes. Do it. Yeah, yeah,
And you made a great choice for me because
yeah.
Dean, I think, is a very amazing character. And about this, I would like to ask you about the ending. Okay, what do you think will be his future?
Oh, after
Uh,
after after the movie ends.
maybe, or the last scene.
Yeah.
Mm.
Well, I mean, I won't ruin it for anyone, but I think for me, one of the beautiful, when I did finally read the script, I thought, wow, Claudio um and the writers, Marisa Braucci and what's his name, Massimo, you know, they uh they did this beautiful thing where the character thinks he's going to do one thing and this whole other thing happens. But I think it's so true, when we go and we start to put our energy in a new direction, in a direction of healing, it opens us up
Yes.
to all the possibilities that we were not able to see when when the movie starts. My character is at a bottom in his life. He's got no hope, no future. He doesn't care about anything. He's got nothing to love in his life. And by going to find his son that he has never met before, it opens his heart. And I think when we do this, when we take action that opens our heart and allows us to connect to the world with our heart and our feelings, um, it's my experience that all these other things that you were unable to see before come into your life, and you don't know what they are. Like, I have so many examples of things I never thought would be part of my life, but they're happening because I changed my approach to life. I used to, it used to be always like, what am I going to get out of life? Where's mine? And then I changed the energy to, how do I add to life? How do I be of service to other people and this kind of thing? And just opened my heart and opened my life. And all these things I never imagined are now part of my life, including, doing a movie in Italy. I never imagined I'd be doing a movie in Italy.
And so, what do you think might be the life lesson that we can learn from this movie?
That one of them, there are many, but I think it's really it's not just an intellectual lesson, it's a really like an emotional experience that, you know, when we make a change, when we decide to go and take responsibility for our lives, to clean up, the wreckage that we've done,
Yes.
um, that is where we can find real meaning in life. As a young person, I thought, well, I'm going to find meaning by, achieving this and achieving that and da. And I achieved a lot of the things that I dreamed about when I was young, and I'm so grateful for that. But I know when I was young, like it was never enough. I achieved this, but my brain is going, but wait, I still don't feel satisfied. I need more, 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 and it was never enough. But but when I could change that perspective and think about life, about okay, how can I add to life? How can I add, whatever? That's where I found the meaning in life. And I think that's the experience that this character goes through is, oh, when he can go and try and help his son, try and help another person, that's where he
Yes.
starts to find meaning in life.
Yeah.